Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can change your video thumbnail in Capcut apps. So when you open your project, you will see the cover picture here, so click on it. Alright, so which is to change the cover or thumbnail on your video project, and you can select the cover from the video. Just select the frame, swipe to select the frame that you want to make as a cover or thumbnail, or you can select from your library. Just click upload and select the picture that you want to add as a cover or thumbnail. So you can add text and you can add template. Use the template available here. For example, right, just click on it and then click check mark. So that's it. Click save, and you can see the cover has been replaced. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.